Welcome folks, William Caleb representing easy.wcrpro.com back at you with another video, and today we're going to finish our discussion on what I consider to be the top leading home business program out there, and it is a video streaming education package that teaches all the various aspects and strategies for running and operating, maintaining an online business, any type of online business. Once you learn the skill, it'll be a skill that no one can take from you. It'll be something that no college degree could ever give you, because believe it or not, they don't teach this in college. Not even the MBAs receive this training. After those who get their masters and even PhDs in most cases, they have to go and get supplemental training to learn the ins and outs of how to market products and services online, how exactly the web works, as far as getting people's attention, all things of that nature. That's nothing that's taught in the marketing classes in today's colleges. So this makes a very good education for you, very good, and the cost for this education is phenomenal. Of course, I have various other reviews you can check here on my channel, which can be found at youtube.com/info page. That's me. Please like, subscribe, and share. And so with no further ado, you know that the top program that I'm into is Easy One Up, without a doubt, hands down. And I just want to show you a place where you can get a free funnel for promoting and presenting the Easy One Up. And this funnel is very unique. At foremost, it's unique because it's free. That's the foremost reason. But I'm about to show you other reasons as well. So if you just come on with me and head on over to easy.wcrpro.com, you'll see this following page. Let me go ahead and refresh the page here. Just refresh the page, 1 second. And now we're refreshed here. I just wanted you to see it's a very big page, but it's also simple with the particular coloration. If you know anything about a little bit of history and psychology, any sciences of the mind, historically, you would know that the red and white colors really stand out as a representation of leadership and authority. This is why, of course, great countries such as the United States really uses the red and white. You'll notice many of various figures or characters from movies and stories that are the hero, they tend to wear a red and white coloring. That's the reason for this. And look what happens as you hit the button here. Boom, drop down, a different type of two-step. Now let's go ahead and put in our email address and see where it goes. Just a second while we wait for it to redirect. And here we are. We've made it to the next page where you're redirected to. And once you come to this page, there's going to be a series of several videos that's just going to walk you through how this funnel works, everything that's included. But at the same time that it walks you through it, it also sells it to the prospect. At the same time, it's very ingenious how the creator of this came up with this. And by the way, the creator's name is LJ Abiles, who is an online traffic provider. What that means is this guy actually sells traffic to the online business niche, and he's been doing that for many years, so he really knows the industry inside and out, which is what enabled him to make such a great system such as this. And it's called the Affiliate Secret System. And first he'll have the welcome video, and which you'll see there as just a 10-minute video there. And then the step 1, it's going to talk about the number one thing you need, which of course I'm going to go ahead and spill the beans on that one: traffic. I just talked about it. This is a man who is a traffic provider, so naturally getting the traffic is going to be very easy for you to get. And we have it right here. And if you just give me 1 minute here, we're going to go ahead and flow. You can watch that video and see the first traffic source he has for you, and then how to make the big money commissions. This step 2 is actually going to go into the Easy One Up opportunity. He has a great video to tell you exactly how it operates, exactly how it works and how it moves, and you're just going to take a look at that video. And as I said, it also sells your prospect on it as well, so no problem there. Okay, now let's keep scrolling. The third step is how to increase your sales, which as an affiliate or any marketer, the best way is to offer some type of bonus. But what type of bonus do we have available that's built in within this funnel? The best type, a free vacation, well, near free vacation. You see some of the terms. There is a hotel fee, very, very nominal, small hotel fee. It's what every hotel costs. Don't get alarmed by that. Very small. Think a full vacation stay to somewhere like Vegas or Orlando, which could cost you thousands of dollars, and all you pay is like a $30 hotel fee. And boom, everything's taken care of. Stay, food, everything. Flight, everything. That's included as a bonus. And you will have the opportunity to give that away also. Just gotta go to easy.wcrpro.com and get the details on that. And the fourth step is another opportunity built in for you to actually resell LJ's traffic. Remember when I told you that he was a traffic provider, been providing traffic for years to the online business niche here, and he offers you an opportunity to actually sell his traffic and get a very nice commission for anyone who buys traffic through your link, which is already built into this funnel that you get for free, folks. And the signing up to be a reseller of his traffic is free, folks. No cost there. And let's see, we keep going. And now the step 5 will actually show you how to set up your whole shareable link, get your own link to this whole affiliate secret system. So everything will be coded with your links, and it's a simple process. This video will go through that. And if we keep scrolling, you see all the different instructions here for making your link. It's summed up in words right at the bottom of the video, and a sample link just to show you how an idea of what your link should look like. And of course, I've shortened mine's up by making it a subdomain to my main domain, which is why it's very easy to get to mine. You just go to easy.wcrpro.com. You can see all of this and set yours up immediately. Step 6, how to get results faster, which I'll go ahead and spill the beans on this one too. Get results faster by buying some traffic. And who do you buy from? Well, LJ, of course. Why are you going to go looking and hopping around everywhere when the one who made this system is already a traffic provider? He's been doing this for many years, folks. Been selling traffic, providing traffic to many different business owners for years, folks. So don't waste your time. Just go ahead and get it right here within the system. It's already built in. And of course, as I said, anyone who goes through your affiliate secret system, that your particular traffic link is going to be built in. So you'll get all your commissions from this same funnel that's doing the selling. And he has a final message for just to sum everything up and to give you an idea of how this thing flows. And that's just it. It's everything's on one page, folks. Everything on one page, all built in. And all you have to do is go to easy.wcrpro.com and it'll bring you right to it. And you can go ahead and set up everything. Only take you a few minutes. Most of the stuff, it's a free funnel, and most of the stuff, except of course buying your traffic, if you want to get faster results, that's going to be a cost depending on how many real people you want coming to your system here. And the only other cost that I can think of is, of course, if you're going to do the Easy One Up, well, where you're going to buy, you're going to invest in your streaming educational video course. Whichever streaming educational video course package you choose within the Easy One Up umbrella, that's going to determine how much you can earn from that particular opportunity. Very easy, folks. And of course, they'll be logging in to a full training facility. It's an online virtual classroom. And the subject matter deals with running and operating and maintaining an online business from scratch, or even if you already have a business, how to scale it up to higher heights and make even more profits. Thank you for watching this video. I know I'm delivered on the promise of offering you a faster and far easier way to make money using a top online business opportunity, folks. So head on over to easy.wcrpro.com and I'll see you on the inside. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.